Welcome, dear learners. Welcome again in our last module on research article writing. We covered how a research article is planned, how targeting a journal is done, how title page is planned, how abstract is written, how introduction is written. Now we will move to the other aspects, other sections in this module. After completing this module, you will be able to write the first draft of your article, revise, format, and final check it. Dear learners, we will be covering this module under the heads Material and Methods, Writing Effective Material and Methods section, Result, Discussion, Conclusion, Infographics, Acknowledgement, Revising, Formatting, and then final check of your manuscript. So let us begin. What do you do in Materials and Methods section? In IMRAD style, it is the second most crucial aspect. Try to answer how the problem was studied following your hypothesis. In Materials and Methods section, sometimes it is written just methods, or sometimes in sciences it is written as experimental section. Okay? The nomenclature may be a little bit different, but discuss the methodology here. Discuss the methodology logically and in concise way. In materials, give the materials used and other sources, subject chosen, area of research, etc. In case of field study, we will be dealing the field study in a separate week, as we have earlier mentioned also. Describe methods. A new method, if used, is needed to be detailed. Established method may be just mentioned by name with reference of method, or just you can briefly discuss them. Don't miss discussing about any modification made by you in standard method. This section contains very few citations only for previously reported methods. Have clarity in reporting methods. It is important because it is the point which makes your work reproducible, and reproducibility is the key feature of any research article. A reader should be able to reproduce your research by following your methods. So it must be clear. Instrument, software name, model, version, company, etc. must be mentioned wherever used. Statistical method and level of significance, acceptance criteria must be mentioned clearly. Necessary permissions should be included, like ethical committee approvals, herbarium numbers. You must include, if you are following a particular protocol from an official guideline, you must mention that. In material methods, you can also include the figures like flow chart of process for easy understanding, image of subject, study area, plant, map, etc. you can add as image. But remember, the image must be plagiarism free. As far as the tense is concerned, you must write this section in past tense or past perfect tense. And in the most cases, it is in past tense. Okay? Now let us move to the result section. Here, try to answer what was the outcome of problem treatment from a hypothesis. It must be evidence-based. This section provides the evidence that leads to the answers of the study to the question you posed at the start. The presentation must be professional. State the results without any bias. Don't exaggerate the results. Don't be afraid of reporting negative results. And even if some paradox is there, some contradicting things are there, report them also. Statistical support must be mentioned. Use good statistics to show the result. In modern era, there is no research article which is accepted and which is not having statistical tools or use of suitable statistical tools to show the significance of the results. Equation and special characters must be given due attention. The presentation of equation must be given due attention. It's better to write the equations in Microsoft Equation. Here again, you will write it in the past tense or past perfect tense. And the last feature is completeness. Cover all the parameters. You must cover all the parameters and the results must be complete. So dear learners, in this section, we learned how we can plan the materials and methods. The clarity and the reproducibility are two key features. As far as the result is concerned, result is a very crucial section. You provide your outcomes here in the professional way. We will be discussing other aspects in the next section.